Tech Awards Environment category, which mirrors Intel's own commitment to sustainability and our belief that the creative use of technology can address climate change as well as many of the world's most pressing challenges. The 2009 Intel Environment Award laureates are making groundbreaking contributions to the well-being of the environment. From Nigeria to Mexico and right here in the United States, they are contributing solutions which range from eco-techniques designed to improve living conditions to methods which transform wastewater into new sources of energy. Their work reveals the myriad of challenges that face our precious and increasingly fragile environment. No nation or individuals are touched by this issue, so we applaud those that are contributing unimagined advances and will serve as inspiration for individuals locally and for billions globally. On behalf of Intel, we are honored to recognize their work and express our admiration and gratitude for their contributions. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2009 Tech Awards Environment Laureates.
Cows to kilowatts is a novel approach to solving an organic waste management problem. Where you have organic waste, methane is released, which is a major component of greenhouse gas. I saw this slaughterhouse where about 1,000 heads of cow are slaughtered daily, and waste from this slaughterhouse are discharged directly into open drains, polluting the groundwater sources. This has very serious impact on the health of the people. People abstract groundwater sources for drinking. We can link the ill health among the people with the water. I want to solve this problem. I want to see the environment change. That's what led to creating this innovation called cows to kilowatts. The interesting thing about this technology is that it's a zero emission concept whereby you treat the waste, you generate biogas, the sludge is used as environmentally safe organic fertilizer. So we're using one technology to solve several problems. We develop a business model whereby you can actually recoup your cost from this investment in only 3 years. That means we can create a cycle of sustainability.
Laureates is a non-profit organization in Mexico. We train people to become self-sufficient in water, food, shelter, and energy. We work especially with rural people because 24 million rural people in Mexico only make about $2.50 a day. They have no opportunity to really learn how to solve their problems. We are offering an eco training toolkit. I have to laugh because think of a toolkit it's too funny because you think of a little box where all these things are in it, but it's actually a whole demonstration center. We have more than 28 tools that you can actually learn. For instance, we have the wood-saving stoves, the prickly pear paint, bicycle that generates electricity, wind and solar generator. We have lots of tools. After people have learned to use all those kits, they see the world in a different way. Instantly, they start thinking and creating new things. And that's exactly what Laureates is about.
Am I a computer guy or a leaf guy? And I would say that I'm both. We seem to have put technology and the environment in opposition, in contention, and I don't think it has to be that way. My sense is we can build technologies that help us interact with the environment And so, in large part, that's what I've been doing, is working on ways in which we could speed the identification of plant species. The project itself is referred to as the Electronic Field Guide Project. And what it does is identifies plants by taking a picture of the plant. And walk up to a species you've never seen before, click, take a picture, and then the system will provide you with what it thinks is the best possible match. But what it also does is it collects data about that leaf that you just gathered. Next is to make this something that is accessible by anybody in the world. I see a lot of uses for this. We can always get more information about the world around us. I am training my kids to turn over rocks. My dream is that these are tools that don't get in the way of us turning over rocks, but help us turn over rocks, help us learn more about the environment.